Henry, she didn't have that at
Can
her
I buy
age.
something from you, cashier?
When
Can
she
I
was
buy
that little,
something?
she didn't play when she was your age. She didn't play with that.
Yeah, the off and on switch.
I'm sorry.
Where is
You
it?
could buy ice cream.
I could buy ice cream. Okay, I'd like to buy some ice cream, please.
It has enough presents. It's here.
Because if they made it too big, people
Nah.
take pictures.
Yeah,
they
they
sometimes
want
do
to put it
that.
over here, but I guess they want it right by
Yeah.
here, you know?
I'd like to buy some ice cream, please, Miss Cashier.
How much is that? Blue, red, or yellow?
Stop.
It's vanilla, white,
And how much does that have to pay you? Blue?
and corn.
Takes good pictures. Down. Down.
Oh, thank you. Oh, it's delicious. Thank you.
Would you like my cereal?
Yes, I would. Can I have some chocolate?
There's some apple.
Okay, I'll buy an apple. And how much is the apple?
It costs 45.
45. Okay.
And the ice cream costs 45.
The ice cream also costs
I
45.
think
Okay.
these little Tykes things are Ryan. I think somebody got them for Ryan. Not you. I think they're Ryan.
Oh, look at that.
Speaking of Ryan.
Thank you.
It's a cloud balloon.
Pretty.
Wait, what else can I buy?
A
Clown
cloud balloon.
A
that
clown
balloons
balloon.
in the
Okay.
sky. It balloons in the sky.
A cloud
A
balloon.
cloud balloon. Okay, and how much is that?
I see
It
they
costs
need water.
45, but you have to let it go. Let go of it.
Well, I
and
didn't.
Oh, so I have to buy it, then I have to let go of it so it can go in the sky?
sky balloon.
A sky balloon. Okay.
And you have to put it up.
Okay. Don't do that.
One's on the front porch. If I
Don't do that.
Yeah. Well, those are getting wilted. I have to
We
go
need
get some.
red box.
Let me go get them.
You got the hose right here.
Yeah, but I
This is a good place to scream. Scream again. No, that is for Julia.
No cash, no service.
No cash, no service. That's right.
No cash, no service.
He's mad. He's really mad.
No cash, no service.
You say no shirt, no shirt.
Well, she says she won't take credit cards or checks
Checks.
or debit cards.
Just
So
cash.
okay.
He says, I'm such a happy person. Why do they